severe thunderstorm watch, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Morrow, Muskingum, Perry, Pickaway, and Union. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. You are listening to The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Champaign County, Clark County, northwestern Greene County, northeastern Montgomery County, southeastern Miami County until 2:30 p.m. At 1:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Huber Heights, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Dayton, Springfield, Beaver Creek, Huber Heights, Fairborn, Urbana, New Carlisle, Yellow Springs, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, Northridge, Enon, South Charleston, Brown, Riverside, Harmony, Lisbon, Brighton, Christiansburg, Northampton, and South Vienna. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 38 and 70. Now for the Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Clark County, central Greene County, southwestern Madison County until 2:30 p.m. At 1:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Yellow Springs, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Beaver Creek, Fairborn, Cedarville, Wilberforce, South Solon, Old Town, Gladstone, Bell Center, and Selma. A severe The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Franklin County, Ohio, northwestern Pickaway County, Madison County, until 3 p.m. At 2:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near South Charleston, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Grove City, Upper Arlington, Hilliard, London, Jefferson, West Jefferson, Mount Sterling, Choctaw Lake, Lake Darby, Craneview Heights, Urban Crest, Valley View, Marble Cliff, Lafayette, South Solon, Midway, Harrisburg, Orient, and Newport. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 71 and 98. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 77 and 103. A severe The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Franklin County, Ohio, northwestern Fairfield County, northeastern Pickaway County, southwestern Licking County until 3:30 p.m. At 2:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Grove City, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Lancaster, Reynoldsburg, Grove City, Upper Arlington, Gahanna, Pickerington, Bexley, Pawhuska, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Baltimore, Buckeye Lake, Hebron, Millersport, Grandville South, Ohio State University, Beechwood Trail, Easton and Summit Station. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 98 and 128. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 103 and 115. A severe The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Fairfield County, southeastern Licking County, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Baltimore, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Newark, Heath, Granville, Baltimore, Buckeye Lake, Hebron, Millersport, Pleasantville, Hanover, Fairfield Beach, Harbor Hills, Grandville South, Martin, Thornport, Thurston, Gratiot, Toboso, Brownsville, Interstate 70 at State Route 37 and Interstate 70 at State Route 13. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 125 and 142 and near mile marker 144. The severe thunderstorm. The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Perry County until 3:45 p.m. At 2:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Baltimore or near Pickerington, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Thornville and Glenford. Now for the official. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Guernsey County, southeastern Coshocton County, Muskegon County, southern Tuscarawas County, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Hanover, or 11 miles west of Zanesville, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles an hour and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Zanesville, Cambridge, New Concord, Desville, South Zanesville, North Zanesville, Dresden, Fredericksburg, Pleasant Grove, Conesville, Old Washington, Gratiot. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Ohio near mile marker 143, in between mile markers 145 and 188. Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 44 and 59. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Logan County, Northern Union County, Ohio, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bell Fountain, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Marysville, Bell Fountain, Richwood, West Liberty, DeGraff, West Mansfield, Northwood, Rush, Sylvania, Huntsville, Magnetic Springs, Valley High, Zanesfield, Raymond, New Jerusalem, Broadway, McMorran, Pottersburg, Essex, East Liberty, and Lewistown. Now for the National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for southern Delaware County, northern Licking County, until 11 p.m. At 8:59 p.m., radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen, with another 1 inch possible in the next hour or so. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flooding include Columbus, Dublin, Westerville, Delaware, Powell, Johnstown, Sunbury, Utica, Valeris, Shawnee Hills, Galena, Hartford, St. Louisville, Interstate 71 at U.S. Route 36/State Route 37, Alum Creek State Park, Fredonia, U.S. Route 62 at State Route 661, Stratford, Purity, and Bell Point. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. You're listening. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Knox County until 9:30 p.m. At 9:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Utica, or 10 miles southeast of Mount Vernon, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Martinsburg and Bladensburg. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for southeastern Knox County until 3:15 a.m. At 9:19 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain which will cause flooding. Up to 1.5 inches of rain has already fallen. Another 1/2 to 1 inch of rain may fall before thunderstorms move out of the area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Gambier, Utica, Martinsburg, and Bladensburg. Turn around. The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Knox County has expired. The storm which prompted the warning has weakened. Flash flood watch in effect until 8 a.m. Sunday for the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Franklin, Licking, Madison, and Union. Additional rainfall associated with strong thunderstorms will affect the area that received heavy rain and flooding this afternoon and evening. People in the watch area should keep an eye on the weather and be prepared for immediate action should heavy rains and flooding occur or a flash flood warning be issued. Avoid low-lying areas and be careful when approaching highway dips and underpasses. Flash flood. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flood warning for eastern Champaign County, Delaware County, northern Licking County, Union County, Ohio, until 4:15 a.m. Sunday. At 10, the flash flood warning for southern Delaware and northern Licking counties is canceled. The heavy rain has ended, but flooding from earlier excessive rainfall will continue. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flood warning for urban areas and small streams in Belmont County, Southern Carroll County, South Central Columbiana County, Coshocton County, Guernsey County, Harrison County, Jefferson, Ohio County, Muskingum County, Northern Noble County, Tuscarawas County, until 8 a.m. Sunday. At 11:51 p.m., local law enforcement reported numerous roads flooded due to heavy rain in the warning area. The heavy rain has exited the area, however, flooding will continue overnight. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Zanesville, Steubenville, New Philadelphia, Dover, Coshocton, Cambridge, Martins Ferry, Ridgeville, St. Clairsville, Bellaire, Barnesville, Cadiz, Carrollton, Freeport, Wintersville, Newcomerstown, Denison, New Concord, Gainesville, and West Lafayette. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.